Good morning. Today's class heterocyclic compounds, reactivity of 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, and preparations of pyrrole and its chemical properties. Here in the 5-membered heterocyclic compounds are pyrrole, furan, thiophene. In the pyrrole, nitrogen is an heteroatom. In the furan, oxygen is an heteroatom. In the thiophene, sulfur is an heteroatom. Here, in the pyrrole, furan, thiophene, containing 2 pi bonds, means 4 pi electrons, and heteroatom containing lone pair electrons utilized to resonance, or it is utilized in the delocalizing within the ring. That is 2 pi electrons, total 6 pi electrons. According to Huckel's rule, this pyrrole, furan, thiophene containing 6 pi electrons like benzene molecule. Therefore, these pyrrole, furan, thiophene are aromatic compounds like benzene molecule. Here, like benzene, this pyrrole, furan, thiophene exhibit aromacity nature. Aromacity means the compounds are having unsaturated behavior, means even it containing multiple bonds, double or triple bonds, even though it exhibits the properties of saturated hydrocarbons, is called aromacity. Due to aromacity nature, this pyrrole, furan, thiophene undergo electrophilic substitution reactions like benzene molecule. Here in the pyrrole, furan, thiophene, due to the presence of 6 pi electrons, these compounds are undergo electrophilic substitution. The reactivity of these heterocyclic compounds are more than benzene molecule, because in the pyrrole, furan, thiophene, each carbon containing 1.2 pi electron density, more pi electron density on the carbon atom. This pyrrole, furan, thiophene are more reactive than benzene molecule. Here in the pyrrole, furan, thiophene undergo electrophilic substitution. The incoming electrophile is directed to second or fifth carbon, that is alpha carbons only, but not on the beta carbons like third and fourth carbons, because here during the electrophilic substitution of pyrrole, furan, thiophene, the substitution of electrophile on the second or fifth carbon, we are obtaining more stable resonance structures. Therefore, the incoming electrophile should directed to orthocarbons, that is second or fifth carbons. But during the electrophilic substitution, if the electrophile is substituted on the beta carbons like third or fourth carbons, we are obtaining less stable, only 2 resonance structures which are less stable. Therefore, the electrophile should not directed to beta carbons, that is third or fourth carbons. Only it is directed to second and fifth carbons. These are also called alpha carbons. Here, during the substitution of electrophile, here the reactivity of pyrrole is greater than furan is greater than thiophene, because compare with nitrogen, due to the more electronegativity of oxygen, the reactivity of furan is less than pyrrole. Therefore, here pyrrole is more reactive than furan, which is more reactive than thiophene, which is more reactive than benzene molecule. Here in the resonance structures, while substitution of electrophile to the alpha carbons, that is second or fifth carbons, the different canonical or resonance structures are obtained. Here in this method, the resonance structures of pyrrole, furan, thiophene are the aromatic character of these heterocyclic compounds is further explained by the resonance. Here, the structure of each of the heterocyclic may be represented as a hybrid of 4 resonating structures. They are, here it is a pyrrole, due to the delocalization of lone pair electrons which is present on the nitrogen atom is directed or donated to alpha carbon. This alpha beta pi electrons are polarized towards the beta carbon. Here we are obtaining nitrogen gets positive charge, beta carbon gets negative charge. Again, this beta carbon donating electrons to the, that is the fourth carbon, again another beta carbon. These electrons are polarized towards the alpha carbon of fifth carbon. Here fifth carbon gets negative charge, nitrogen gets positive charge. Again, here this electron is donating to the nitrogen, the ortho carbon gets negative charge. Here the again polarization of these electrons, we will get the resonance hybrid structure of pyrrole. Here the resonance energy of this pyrrole is 21 kilocalories per mole. It is less than benzene molecule. Therefore, the aromatic character of pyrrole is less than benzene molecule. Next, second one is in the furan. Again, in the furan, the heteroatom oxygen containing 2 lone pair of electrons, in which one pair is polarized towards the alpha carbon. Then alpha beta pi electrons are polarized towards the beta carbon. Here beta carbon gets negative charge, oxygen gets positive charge. Again, the polarization or the donating the electrons to the another beta carbon, that is fourth carbon. This beta alpha pi bonded electrons are polarized towards the alpha carbon, that is fifth carbon gets negative charge, oxygen gets positive charge. These electrons which is donating to the oxygen, these pi electrons are polarized towards the second carbon of alpha carbon. Then this is the resonance hybrid structure of furan. Means generally the structures of each of the heterocyclic may be represented as hybrid of 4 resonating structures, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, or we can take here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. All these compounds are having resonance hybrid of 4 structures. In the thiophene molecule, same, that is the heteroatom sulfur having 2 lone pair of electrons, in which one lone pair is donating to the alpha carbon. Here beta carbon gets negative charge. Again, these electrons are donating to the another beta carbon. Simultaneously, this beta alpha pi bonded electrons are polarized towards the alpha carbon. Here alpha carbon or sixth carbon gets, the fifth carbon gets negative charge. Again, it is polarized towards the sulfur. Then alpha carbon of second carbon gets negative charge. Here it is the resonance hybrid of the thiophene. Here the resonance energy of thiophene is 29 kilocalories per mole. The molecules lose some amount of energy due to the resonance is called as resonance energy. The molecules lose some amount of energy due to the resonance is called as resonance energy. That is, due to the resonance, the energy of the molecule decreases and stability increases. If the stability increases, the delocalization of pi electrons bring stability to the ring system. Here, more resonance energy indicates more stability and more aromatic character of the molecule. Here, that is the more resonance energy indicates more stability and more aromatic character of the molecule. Here in the pyrrole, resonance energy is 21 kilocalories per mole, but furan 16 kilocalories per mole, then thiophene is 29 kilocalories per mole. Among these, thiophene having more stability, more resonance character than pyrrole, than furan. That is about the electrophilic substitution followed by resonating structures of pyrrole, furan, thiophene. Next, the acidic character of pyrrole. Here, pyrrole being to be a secondary amine. Pyrrole being to be a secondary amine because in the pyrrole, the nitrogen satisfies its valency 2 carbons with 1 hydrogen atom. Therefore, it is a secondary amine. But it does not act as a base and it acts as a weak acid because in the pyrrole, it doesn't exhibits the basic character, but it exhibits only weak acidic character because in the pyrrole, the heteroatom nitrogen containing lone pair electrons are utilized to the aromatic sextet configuration. It doesn't lose or donate the electrons to the electron deficient atoms or ions. Therefore, pyrrole doesn't exhibit the basic character. Here, the acidic nature of pyrrole is supported by the formation of a salt with alkali like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide. On reaction with potassium hydroxide, metallic potassium, it forms a potassium salts of pyrrole is obtained. That is, pyrrole upon treatment with potassium hydroxide, it gives potassium salts of pyrrole is obtained with the removal of water. The acidic nature of pyrrole can be explained on the basis of the following facts. Here, the lone pair of electrons of nitrogen atom are involved in the formation of an aromatic sextet, and hence the hydrogen is less firmly held by the nitrogen atom. The hydrogen is less firmly held by the nitrogen atom. Therefore, it can easily lose proton. Here, once pyrrole anion is formed, it is stabilized due to the resonance, and pyrrole anion is much more resonance stabilized than the pyrrole molecule. There is no charge separation in the pyrrole anion. Actually, in the pyrrole molecule, due to the resonance, means that is the lone pair electrons are donating to the alpha carbon, the obtained canonical structure having charge separation. which are less stable. But pyrrole anion is much more resonance stabilized than the pyrrole because there is no charge separation in the pyrrole anion. Generally, pyrrole can lose proton. It gives pyrrole anion, which is more resonance stabilized than pyrrole molecule. There is no charge separation. That is due to the resonance here, these electrons are donating to the alpha carbon, beta carbon gets negative charge. Again here, again donating the electrons to the another beta carbon, this alpha carbon gets negative charge. Then donating electrons, here alpha carbon gets negative charge. Here these are the only the negative charge is occurred on the alpha and beta carbons, but there is no charge separation in the pyrrole anion, which is more stable than pyrrole. Therefore, to get stability, pyrrole can easily lose proton. According to Arrhenius acid-base theory, proton donor is called acid. Therefore, this pyrrole exhibit the acidic character. Next, azole. Pyrrole is also called azole. Here in the preparations and properties of pyrrole, here the pyrrole is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Pyrrole is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound. Its molecular formula is C5, that is C4H4H5N. Here that is pyrrole is 5-membered heterocyclic compound. In pyrrole, nitrogen is an heteroatom. Pyrrole structure is as follows. That is nitrogen is 1, this alpha carbon 2, beta carbon 3, this beta carbon 4, this alpha carbon 5. Means that is the molecular formula of pyrrole is C4H5N is pyrrole. Here in the pyrrole containing 2 pi bonds, means 4 pi electrons, and the heteroatom nitrogen having lone pair, then total 6 pi electrons are present in the pyrrole. It exhibits the aromatic character like benzene molecule according to Huckel's rule. Here in the preparation of pyrrole, here that is first one is from the 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds. It is also known as Palnar synthesis. It is a very important synthesis. That is the preparation of pyrrole by Palnar synthesis. Here in this method, the succinaldehyde means 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds. Succinaldehyde on heating with the ammonia molecule, it gives pyrrole, is called Palnar synthesis. That is succinaldehyde is CH2 C double bond OH, CH2 C double bond OH, which undergo ketoenol tautomerism. That is delocalization of pi electrons and protons simultaneously takes place. We will obtain the enol form of succinaldehyde. This enol form, which upon heating with ammonia molecule with the liberation of 2 moles of water molecule, or with the removal of 2 moles of water molecule, we will get the pyrrole. It is the Palnar synthesis. Next, second method is from acetylene. Here, the mixture of a 2:1 ratio of acetylene and ammonia is passed over a red hot copper tube, which undergo cyclic polymerization, it gives rise to, that is pyrrole, that is C4H5N plus hydrogen molecule is obtained. That is from acetylene 2:1 ratio of acetylene and ammonia is passing through red hot copper tube, then which undergo cyclic polymerization, it gives rise to pyrrole, that is 2 moles of acetylene, that is HC triple bond CH plus 1 mole of ammonia passing through red hot tube, which undergo oxidation, means with the removal of hydrogen, it gives rise to pyrrole. Next, third method from furan and ammonia. Here, that is furan on heating with ammonia at 480 degrees centigrade in the presence of alumina, Al2O3, it forms pyrrole. That is furan upon treatment with ammonia at 480 degrees centigrade in the presence of alumina, it gives pyrrole. Next, that is from succinamide. Succinamide. Here, succinamide on heating or distilled with zinc dust, here, which gives pyrrole. That is succinamide, that is CH2, C double bond O, NH, C double bond O, CH2. It is succinamide. We undergo ketoenol tautomerism. It gives the enol form of succinamide. Undergo zinc dust reduction. That is succinamide undergo reduction in the presence of zinc dust or on heating with zinc dust, undergo reduction to give, that is pyrrole, C4H5N. Next, fifth method from ammonium mucate. From ammonium mucate. That is, when ammonium mucate is distilled with glycerol at 200 degrees centigrade, it decomposed into mucic acid and ammonia. This mucic acid undergo dehydration, decarboxylation and cyclization by the reaction with ammonia, it gives pyrrole. First here, ammonium mucate is distilled with glycerol at 200 degrees centigrade temperature. It decomposed into mucic acid. It is a mucic acid. This mucic acid undergo dehydration, means with the removal of 3 moles of water molecule is dehydration. Then it gives rise to the 2,5-dicarboxylic furan. This which undergo decarboxylation. Undergo decarboxylation. It gives furan. Furan upon treatment with ammonia, it gives, upon heating with ammonia, it gives pyrrole. That is the from preparation of pyrrole from ammonium mucate. Once again, first ammonium mucate is distilled with glycerol at 200 degrees centigrade temperature. It decomposes to mucic acid. This mucic acid undergo dehydration, decarboxylation and cyclization by the ammonia, it gives pyrrole. Next, sixth method from N-potassium pyrrole. That is the potassium salts of pyrrole undergo hydrolysis. It gives pyrrole. That is potassium pyrrole undergo hydrolysis, means action with water, it gives, that is pyrrole plus potassium hydroxide is obtained. These are the general preparations of pyrrole in the laboratory as well as in the industrial method. Next, then its chemical properties. Here generally pyrrole is an aromatic compound like benzene molecule. Due to aromacity nature of pyrrole, it undergo electrophilic substitution reactions like benzene molecule. But the reactivity of pyrrole is more than benzene molecule. Therefore, the electrophilic substitution occur even in the mild agents also. Here the chemical properties of pyrrole are, first one is nitration. Generally during the electrophilic substitution reactions, first the incoming electrophile should substituted on the alpha carbons of second and fifth carbon. After fulfilling the 2,5 alpha carbons, then the incoming electrophile should directed to beta carbons of 33 and 4 carbons. Here in the nitration, here pyrrole upon treatment with nitric acid in the presence of acetic anhydride, it forms 2-nitropyrrole. Pyrrole upon treatment with nitric acid in the presence of acetic anhydride, it gives 2-nitropyrrole. During the mechanism, here nitronium ion is obtained as electrophile, that is NO2 plus. Nitronium ion can attack at the second carbon. We will get the 2-nitropyrrole with the formation of acetic acid. Here second one is sulfonation. Again here pyrrole upon treatment with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine at 100 degrees centigrade temperature, it gives pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid is obtained. In the sulfonation, pyrrole upon treatment with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine at 100 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to give 2-pyrrole 2-sulfonic acid is obtained. Next, third one is halogenation. Here at 0 degrees centigrade, pyrrole react with the sulfuryl chloride, that is SO2Cl2 is sulfuryl chloride in the presence of ether to form 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole. It forms 2,3,4,5 tetrachloropyrrole is obtained, that is pyrrole upon treatment with sulfuryl chloride at 0 degrees centigrade temperature, it gives 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrachloropyrrole is obtained. Similarly, same at 0 degrees centigrade, that is pyrrole upon treatment with bromine in the presence of ethyl alcohol. Pyrrole upon treatment with bromine in the presence of ethyl alcohol at 0 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to give 2, 3, 4, 5 tetrabromopyrrole is obtained. Similarly, that is pyrrole react with iodine in the presence of alkali like sodium hydroxide to form, that is 2, 3, 4, 5 tetraiodopyrrole is obtained. These are the halogenation reactions, that is chlorination, bromination, iodination. Next, fourth one is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Here Friedel-Crafts acylation means, that is pyrrole upon treatment with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine at 250 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to give pyrrole 2-acetyl pyrrole is obtained, that is pyrrole upon treatment with acetic anhydride in the presence of pyridine at 250 degrees centigrade undergo electrophilic substitution to give 2-acetyl pyrrole is obtained. In the acetylation, acetyl carbonium ion is act as, that is, electrophile. Next one is Reamer-Tiemer reaction. It is a very important reaction. Reamer-Tiemann reaction. Here Reamer-Tiemer reactions means generally phenol. Actually, the general reaction is phenol upon treatment with chloroform in the presence of alkali. It gives salicylaldehyde or para-hydroxybenzaldehyde is called Reamer-Tiemer reaction in phenol. Here, like phenol, pyrrole is also exhibit the acidic character. Therefore, this phenol also undergo Reamer-Tiemer reaction. That is, pyrrole react with the chloroform in the presence of alkali. It form pyrrole 2-aldehyde. One is pyrrole 2-aldehyde. Another one can also obtained is 3-chloropyridine is also obtained as a major product. In the Reamer-Tiemer reaction, pyrrole upon treatment with chloroform in the presence of alkali undergo electrophilic substitution to give pyrrole 2-aldehyde and 3-chloropyridine is obtained. Here, during the mechanism, that is, dichlorocarbene is obtained as a electrophile, neutral electrophile, which is attacking at the second carbon. We obtain a bicyclic compound. Then from the bicyclic compounds rearrangement, we will get the 3-chloropyridine is obtained. It is called Reamer-Tiemer reaction. Reamer-Tiemer reaction means generally the weak acids like phenol or pyrrole. This pyrrole upon treatment with chloroform in the presence of alkali undergo electrophilic substitution to give pyrrole 2-aldehyde and 3-chloropyridine is obtained. Next, sixth one is, that is, Gattermann's reaction, where here the pyrrole upon treatment with hydrogen cyanide with HCl in the presence of water, aqueous hydrochloric acid, undergo electrophilic substitution to give pyrrole 2-aldehyde. It is called Gattermann's reaction. Pyrrole react with hydrogen cyanide and hydrochloric acid with water, undergo electrophilic substitution to give pyrrole 2-aldehyde. Is called Gattermann's reaction. Next, diazo coupling reaction, like diazonium salts with phenol, it gives, that is, orange precipitate of azo-dye is obtained. Similarly, here pyrrole react with benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of weak acid to form 2-phenyl azopyrrole is obtained. That is, pyrrole react with benzene diazonium chloride in the presence of weak acid to form 2-phenyl azopyrrole is obtained. It is called diazo coupling reaction. Next, N-methylation. At while raising the temperature, at normal temperature, it undergo normal, that is, the alkylation takes place at alpha carbons, that is 2 or 5 carbons. But at high temperature, means at 60 degrees centigrade, pyrrole react with methyl iodide to form N-methyl pyrrole is obtained. It is called N-methylation or N-alkylation. At 60 degrees centigrade temperature, that is, pyrrole react with methyl iodide to form N-methyl-pyrrole is obtained. Next, Kolbe-Schmidt reaction. Kolbe-Schmidt reaction, or it can also call Kolbe-Schmidt carboxylation. Here, phenol, that is pyrrole upon treatment with carbon dioxide or carbon tetrachloride in alkali to undergo electrophilic substitution at 120 degrees centigrade temperature. It gives pyrrole 2-carboxylic acid, and we can also get pyrrole 3-carboxylic acid also. Means if alpha carbon is already filled, the electrophile can also attack at the beta carbon of third carbon. Therefore, pyrrole upon treatment with carbon dioxide or carbon tetrachloride in the presence of alkali to form at 120 degrees centigrade temperature undergo electrophilic substitution to give pyrrole 2-carboxylic acid and pyrrole 3-carboxylic acid. Next, oxidation. Here, generally, pyrrole gets oxidized with chromium trioxide in acetic acid. Pyrrole gets oxidized with chromium trioxide, CrO3, in acetic acid. It gives maleimide. Maleimide, that is, pyrrole undergo oxidation with chromium trioxide in acetic acid. It gives maleimide is obtained. It is the oxidation of pyrrole. Next, reduction reactions of pyrrole. Generally, pyrrole undergo reduction with hydrogen in the presence of reducing agents like nickel, platinum, or palladium. It gives tetrahydropyrrole is called pyrrolidine is obtained. That is, pyrrole on reduction in the presence of reducing agents like nickel or platinum or palladium to form pyrrolidine, or it can also call tetrahydropyrrole is obtained. Means just undergo addition of hydrogen molecule. Here this first double bond undergo addition with hydrogen. One hydrogen attack at the second carbon, another hydrogen attack at third carbon. Similarly, again second mole of hydrogen, one hydrogen atom attacking at the fourth carbon, another hydrogen attacking at the fifth carbon. We will get the pyrrolidine is common name, but it is can also called tetrahydropyrrole is obtained. Next, second reduction is with mild reagents. Here actually in the first reaction, we are using strong reducing agents like nickel, platinum, palladium. It completely undergo reduction to give pyrrolidine or tetrahydropyrrole is obtained. But with mild reagents like zinc in acetic acid, here pyrrole undergo reduction in the presence of zinc acetic acid to form pyrroline. Pyrroline, that is 2,5-dihydropyrrole is obtained. Pyrroline or 2,5-dihydropyrrole is obtained. These are the general chemical properties of this pyrrole. But among the heterocyclic compounds, that is pyrrole, furan, thiophene, here pyrrole is more reactive than the rest of 5-membered heterocyclic compounds like furan and thiophene. Here it can also exhibit the special character compared with the furan and thiophene. Here pyrrole exhibit the acidic character, but the rest of the furanine thiophene exhibit the basic character, because in the pyrrole the heteroatom nitrogen containing lone pair electrons are utilized to aromatic sextet configuration. Therefore, it doesn't lose electron pair, or it doesn't give electron pair to the electron deficient atoms or ions. But in the pyrrole, the nitrogen hydrogen bond is weakly formed or weakly held between the nitrogen and hydrogen. It can lose proton. Generally, while losing the proton by pyrrole, it get more stable pyrrole anion is obtained. Compare with pyrrole molecule, pyrrole anion is more stable. To get stability, pyrrole can easily lose proton to form more stable pyrrole anion. According to Arrhenius acid-base theory, proton donor is called acid. Therefore, pyrrole exhibit the acidic character. The acidic nature of pyrrole is also supported by the action of alkali. That is, pyrrole upon treatment with alkali like sodium hydroxide or potassium hydroxide, we will get the, that is, sodium or potassium salts of pyrrole is obtained. But here pyrrole exhibit here acidic character. It doesn't exhibit basic character. But the rest of the 5-membered heterocyclic compounds like furan and thiophene exhibit basic character, because in the furan and thiophene, the heteroatoms of oxygen and sulfur containing lone pair of electrons, it contains 2 lone pairs. One lone pair is utilized to aromat sextet configuration, and another lone pair of electrons have tendency to donate to the electron deficient atoms or ions to form coordinate covalent bond. According to Lewis acid-base theory, electron pair donor is called base. Therefore, this furanine thiophene exhibit the basic character. Means here among the 3 5-membered heterocyclic compounds, that is pyrrole, furan, thiophene, pyrrole exhibit acidic character, but furan and thiophene exhibit the basic character. These are the chemical properties of pyrrole. Thank you.